Guys, welcome to another video series. Today we shall be talking about Binance Exchange. We all know that Binance is actually a centralized exchange where you can actually buy cryptocurrencies, you can sell, you can exchange your cryptocurrencies into fiat or other cryptos. So the first thing you want to do is to get a Binance wallet. You can either decide to download the app in your phone, or you can actually go to the web wallet, Binance.com. You can actually get a link from someone who already owns a Binance account, and then you go and download or you go and create an account. All right, guys. So when you create an account, just like you sign up for any exchange, and then when you sign up, the first thing you need to do is to verify your account. That's the first thing you want to do. You want to verify your account because in your account you see something like verification. That is in the profile area. All right, in the profile area you're going to see security and identification. So when you go to identification, you want to identify yourself and they want to know who you are, and probably you should be using a government issued national ID card. Okay, you have a government issued national ID card, and then you must do some facial verification. All right, when you do your facial verification, there are like 3 steps that you need to take in order for you to do this, and you need to have your ID card. It can be a passport, and then your facial verification, you might be holding your passports and then do some shaking with your heads. All right, so all these are personal verification. All right, so you have 3 types of verification, current, like the verified and the verified plus. So once your verification is completed, all right, you'll be able to catch out. Please never you ever start using Binance without doing verification, because it doesn't make sense. If you deposit money in your Binance without verification, you might not be able to pull that money out until you have actually verified your Binance account. And once your account is verified, like you see personal verification, you have something here. You need government issued ID card, and you do your facial verification. Sometimes the facial verification will take a little bit of time. You just need to position yourself very well and be in a position where you have a lot of lights, and before you can do the facial verification, there are just all the processes to follow, which is very simple. And then once you are done, and once your account is verified, you will now see your email address here, and this tick, you see that your account is verified. And once your account is verified, you are good to go. So in our next video, we shall be showing you how to deposit money or fiat or crypto in your Binance exchange.